How can I earn $100 a day online with AI? Is it even possible? AI is not just a sci-fi sidekick, it's your digital cash machine. From automating tasks to making smart investments, AI is revolutionizing the way we earn money. Buckle up for a perplexity and burstiness-packed journey to minting $100 daily with AI. We'll explore 10 powerful strategies that can transform your financial future. Ready? Let's roll. 1. Skillful scripting craft compelling content. AI is not a wordsmith wizard, but it's close. Burst of brilliance. Employ AI for content creation. Blogs, articles, efficiency rules. 2. Affiliate alchemy AI-powered promotions. AI's data-driven. Burstiness radar leverage AI for affiliate marketing. Personalized promotions, conversions climb. 3. Chatbot charm customer interaction upgrade. Chatbots don't snooze. Burstiness buzz AI-driven chatbots. 24/7 support leads pour in. SEO superpower AI optimized strategy. SEO's maze solved. Burst of strategy AI aids SEO research, content optimization, traffic spikes, revenue follows. Trading tactics, AI-driven investments, stock market's riddle, AI cracks it. Burstiness ignition, AI-powered trading bots, invest smarter, returns multiply. E-commerce efficiency, AI shopkeeper, e-commerce hustle, AI's your ally. Burst of convenience, AI-driven inventory management, time saved, earnings rise. 7. Data treasure hunt AI analytics, data's goldmine, burstiness pulse, AI analytics tools, patterns found, strategies refined. 8. Language learning AI tutors magic, AI's polyglot power, a burst of education, AI language learning apps, learn, teach, earn. 9. Content curation AI-powered aggregation, information flood AI filters it, burstiness hint AI content curation, custom news feeds, insights monetized. 10. Social media sorcery AI's outreach, social engagements call, AI answers. Burstiness, insight, AI for social media scheduling, analytics. Reach grows, income follows. Earning $100 daily with AI, burst of possibilities, burstiness-packed strategies, content, marketing, trading, and more. You can do it because I did it.